What's going on, YouTube? I'm back. Listen, the last time we seen each other, I was doing an unboxing for the Shoei GT Air helmet. I talked about buying an X14 for the RC8 because we bought the GT Air for the Super Duke GT. All right, I didn't get around to getting that helmet yet, so that unboxing will be at a later date. Right now, I want to unbox a KTM chair. But before I unbox it, I just want to let you guys know that I was told by someone not to unbox this at all. They were saying I was wasting my time. Why would I do that? But I feel like this chair is a little bit different. Yeah, these chairs are made the same. You can go to Walmart or Target or wherever you want to go and get a chair. All right, but the difference is this is a KTM chair. So this is for my KTM community. And another reason I want to do this, I'll explain later. But let's get to opening it now. Just so you know, be careful opening this so that you don't actually cut the bag that the chair is in. You don't want to do that. All right. So, because I need to break this box down anyway, I don't care if I destroy it. All right. I have to break it down for recycling. I hope you guys recycle too. Hope I'm not the only one. All right. This is going to be my receipt here, I'm pretty sure. Let's take this out. This is the bag. We'll put the receipt in here for now. Just kind of slide. All right. So let's see. Nice orange bag here. Chairs on the inside. Just want to get a little close. So you guys can actually see this. So this is the part number here. 3PW1971600. All right. And the reason I mention that is because on different websites, what I've noticed is that the chair looks different. All right. Some people could be using an older picture. I'm not sure. So let's take this out and see what it is exactly that we received here. Chair looks nice. The bag is nice. For the most part, KTM always has some quality stuff. But getting back to those websites and that part number, some websites, there'll be a stripe going down here on this side and that side, and it'll be great. All right, I've also seen it where there's like 3 white stripes here. All right, I actually thought that's what I was getting. Not mad that I didn't get that. I'm okay with this being all orange. Yeah, nicely made. Let's take a look at the back. Ready to race. Pretty cool, I like this. Not bad. Got one little pocket here for a drink. I like it. Like I said, I like to keep these videos short and sweet. All right, and this one is probably one of the shortest ones. I just wanted to do this because someone said, hey, don't do it. All right, so I did do it. And like I said, this is for my KTM community. So if you're interested in purchasing this chair, you can now get on YouTube and see what the chair actually looks like. All right, and this way you're not confused. All right, because like I said, several websites have different pictures up. All right, but we know in 2020, according to that part number, it's just all orange. No gray, no white stripes. Peace.